1314's Pro Series Screen True Tone Repair Adapter. Fix the no True Tone problem after replacing screens for 13 Pro, 13 PM, 14 Pro, 14 Pro Max. Please note that 14 Pro, 14 PM shares the socket with 15 Pro, 15 PM. Cautions. 1. There is a limit on the writing times of 1314's Pro Series, usually 3 to 5 times the all effort. Fail to write, do not continue writing, or the screen may damage. 2. Due to the screen verification mechanism. If the original screen of 14 PM is Samsung, you can also use LG SE or EEN. But not all the LG screens are compatible. 3. When operate for the first time, please take a photo of the red original screen data to prevent misoperation. For the version of V1SE should no less than be 8.06. Option 1. There is an original screen, and the touch IC is not changed. The screen of this 14 Pro Max has been replaced. There is no true tone, but a pop-up window. Turn off the phone. Buckle the original screen on the corresponding socket of the adapter. Click Reading and save the original screen data. Step 2. Write the original screen data to the new screen. Remove the screen to be installed and buckle it on the adapter. Click Writing. A pop-up window will appear. Since we are repairing the screen of 14 PM, the screen model should be selected. After confirming the screen model to be written, click Write. For other models, please click Write directly to write True Tone data. The screen shows True Tone write success. Step 3. Dismantle the original touch IC and install it on the new screen. To fix the screen pop-up window problem, when removing the original screen to reserve the touch IC, it is recommended to use a hot air gun. To take apart the touch IC of the new screen and keep the screen, it is recommended to grind with a grinder. Step 4. Install for testing. The true tone of this mobile phone has recovered. Now pop-up window. Repair true tone and pop-up window with original screen complete. Option 2. There is original screen, but the touch IC data has been copied to the new screen. The screen of this 14 Pro Max has been replaced, and the touch IC has been copied to the new screen. There is no true tone and no pop-up window. Turn off the phone. Then connect V1SE to the computer with a data cable. Open JC ID Repair Assistant on the computer. Log in. Click Repair Fitting. Connect with V1SE. Turn off the phone, then connect V1SE to the computer with a data cable. Select the corresponding model. Click Reading Data. After reading data successfully, click Touch IC Fix Treatment. Since we are repairing the screen of 14 PM, the screen model should be selected. After confirming the screen model to be written, click Write. The screen shows True Tone write success. Step 3. Install for testing. The True Tone function has recovered. Repair True Tone with replaced screen complete. Note, if there is an original screen, it is recommended to operate according to option 1, so as to avoid losing the original screen data by misoperation. Option 3. No original screen. All the data is lost because of the damaged original screen. The screen of this 14 Pro Max has been replaced, and its original screen has lost. There is no True Tone now, and has a pop-up window. First, connect mobile phone and V1SE to the computer with data cable. Then open JC ID Repair Assistant on the computer. Log in. Click Repair Fitting. Connect with V1SE. Open the mobile phone and click Trust. Click Fix True Tone. After capturing the screen MTSN, buckle the screen on the adapter of V1SE. Click Fix True Tone. Since we are repairing the screen of 14 PM, The screen model should be selected. After confirming the screen model to be written, click Write. For other models, click Write directly to write True Tone data. When it shows True Tone repair success, install the screen on mobile phone to check. The True Tone function has recovered. Repair the True Tone without original screen complete.